this structure shows interior structure of the earth. Here top layer of the earth is called earth crust. Then inside the earth crust called upper mantle. Then upper mantle you can see this. Upper mantle is this. Then inside this upper mantle is lower mantle. Then inside the lower mantle, that part is made by nickel and ferrous, known as core, CORE, core. Understood? Then earth crust is made by, you know about that, soil formed by rocks. Then inside the crust, silicon, aluminium, this part is made by. Then upper mantle. Then lower mantle is made by silicon and magnesium. Then inside that lower mantle, nickel and ferrous made by this part is known as center of the earth. The temperature of the center of the earth is very high, above 4500 degrees Celsius. This part is known as North Pole. Then here this part is known as South Pole. Centrally, Earth is divided by equator. Then 23.5 degree north from this equator is called Tropic of Cancer. 23.5 degree south from the equator is called Tropic of Capricorn. Then in the north of Tropic of Cancer, this part is known as Arctic Circle. Map, then physical map, then that map is political map. This world map, you people have to clear it. Different oceans and continents are. Then this continent is known as North America continent. Then in the south of this North America continent is South America continent, which connected North America to South America is Isthmus by Panama Canal. This part is. Then this part is Africa. Then in the north from this part, Africa is Europe. Then in the east of the Europe, Asian continents are here. Here this part is made by different plates. North American plates, South American plates, African plate, Eurasian plate, Europe and Asia. Break thoda laga. This map is a physical map. You people have to clear it. Northern part of this Indian physical map is Himalayan mountain, which length is 2500 kilometer. The width of this Himalayan mountain is in Arunachal Pradesh, there 150 kilometer to here in Ladakh 450 kilometer. In the south of this Himalayan mountain, in the Indo-Gangetic Brahmaputra plain is this. This plain is, greater plain is made by the river Indus with their tributaries, the Ganga with their tributaries, and the Brahmaputra with their tributaries. This plain is world most densely populated region. Why this plain is most densely populated region? Because of this part is more fertile. Entire part is made by fertile alluvial soil by the deposition of the Indus with their tributaries, the Ganga with their tributaries, the Brahmaputra with their tributaries. So therefore, most of the people they settled here. World most densely populated region is this Indo-Gangetic Brahmaputra plain. In the south of this Indo-Gangetic Brahmaputra plain is located peninsular India. Peninsular India is look like you people can understand here conical shape. Peninsula is called by land which surrounded by three sides water body. Here eastern part of this peninsula is Bay of Bengal. Western part of this peninsula is Arabian Sea. In the south of this peninsula is Indian Ocean. Therefore, this Indian peninsula is made by igneous rocks and metamorphic rocks. This part is most ancient part of the world. It is a part of Gondwana land. Then in the south and east of this peninsula is Andaman and Nicobar Island is located. Then in the west from this peninsula is Arabian Sea located where there Lakshadweep Island is located. Here in the western Rajasthan, Thar Desert is located. Thar Desert is a desert which is located in our country India in the state Rajasthan. India. Political map of India, you know about that, shows the boundaries of the states which are here located in our country India. So here you people have to clear it in your mind. 8 central ruled states, union territories known as, these are Ladakh, then Jammu and Kashmir, then Chandigarh, then Delhi, then Dadra, Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, then Lakshadweep Island, then Pondicherry and Andaman and Nicobar Island. These are union territories which are 8 in number in our country. Then here solar eclipse and moon eclipse. You know about that. Tides, how tides form by the sun and the moon. Rhythmic rise and falls of ocean water twice a day called tides. ऊपर उठना ज्वार का, सागर के जल का ऊपर उठना ज्वार और नीचे गिरना भाटा कहलाता है. सूर्य ग्रहण और चंद्र ग्रहण के दिन हाई टाइड्स का फॉर्मेशन होता है. देन हियर वोल्केनो, this diagram is shown as volcano. How volcano form? You know about the inside the earth, interior part of the earth where their core is located. Their according to convectional current theory, molten magma is there. Their temperature is above 5000 degrees Celsius. Whenever that magma come outside the earth's surface, that called extrusive igneous rocks formed. Then outside the earth surface, extrusive igneous rock. Inside the earth surface, land escape is this land escape is the concave, indicate concave and convex slopes. Then here this river Minder, Oxbow lakes. Then here peninsula. How peninsula? Definition: land which surrounded by 3 sides water body is called peninsula. Then delta, largest delta of the world is Sundarban Delta, which is made by the river Ganga and the river Brahmaputra. Then here isthmus is this North America and South America, which connected by through narrow sea channel, Panama Canal, that is an isthmus. Then estuary, you know about that land where river deposited very less amount of silt and sediment, their estuary can be made. Then here this global warming, पृथ्वी गर्म हो रही है, entire global level. We know about the entire atmospheric situation is not very good because of increasing temperature in the atmosphere, increasing CO2 in the atmosphere. Entire world nowadays suffering from global warming and increasing CO2 in the atmosphere, greenhouse effect. Therefore nowadays we are suffering from very hot climatic conditions, increasing heat in the atmosphere. Nowadays we are facing. We have to read climate. Climate is called what? Before climate we have to know about the weather. Weather is, you know about that, hour to hour, day to day changing in the atmosphere. Hour to hour, day to day changing in the atmosphere is called weather. So here this definition